This is the Real Tom Rose. We're dealing with a simplification question and also a combination. We're doing almost a combination of equations. So you can think of this as like a substitution. Now, there's a million ways to go about this. If you're a little clever, though, you can make this a pretty fast problem. And the way that you do that is, first let's take the equation they give us, which is a over b equals 4, and let's solve that for a. So we'll say a equals 4b. The other thing is, see this expression over here? That is a coded expression. It is I call this in my head a difference of two squares. We have one perfect square term subtracted by another perfect square term. And anytime you have one of those, I'll show you in a more generic format. If you have x squared minus y squared, that's equal to the square root of the first thing plus the square root of the second thing times the square root of the first thing minus the square root of the second thing. So, and anytime you see this, like, I don't know why, but the test is just trigger happy on this particular little code. So you just have to have that memorized 6 ways from Sunday. So anytime you see that, you always want to convert it. So they're asking us, what is a squared minus 16b squared? Well, that is, I'm going to convert that into a plus the square root of the right thing, which is 4b, times a minus the square root of the right thing, which is 4b. So we want to evaluate this, and we want to take that equation that we got, and we're going to stuff it in. So a equals 4b, so let's plug that in to these two cases, and what you get is 4b plus 4b times 4b minus 4b, and this is where the magic happens. 4b minus 4b is 0. So as soon as we get that 0, it doesn't matter what it multiplies against, but this whole thing is going to equal 0. So that's your answer choice of 0 right there. And let's just call that circled.